Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, coming at you guys with another awesome unboxing video. Today I have two new unboxings, one from West Coast Diecast and another from Spruce Brothers Models. So without further ado, let's start with the smaller one. So I've already unboxed these to make sure that everything was in their packages. So I got the Marshall set here from Fantasy Wings, and you can see you kind of just fold these up and put these in front of the gates here. So here's a sneak peek to JFK. But that's really cool. So happy to have these. I'm trying to buy more Fantasy Wings as well. Very realistic. Actually, like super realistic. And then I don't know what everybody might be waiting for here. And here is the Panda models. 767-400. Look at that. Delta 767-400. November 825 MH, 1 to 400 scale. Beautiful airplane. Well, haven't even seen the plane yet, but here's the box. So without further ado, let's get this out of the box here. I don't want to rip the box. But yeah, very excited. Glad they're making more 767-400s because these are real planes flying today, obviously, and stand by. There is the airplane. Absolutely stunning. Wow, they did a great job on this. It looked a little wider in like the videos, but I'll do a comparison with my Gemini Jets one as well in this video. But I think they did an amazing job on this. Holy crap. All right, let's get this open. Also like to thank West Coast Diecast for this amazing Remove Before Flight tag here. So thank you so much. I will put this up when I figure out a new spot to put this in my new aviation room here. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys, here we go. Wow, I don't even know where to like grab on this. This is incredibly... Wow. This is incredible, guys. Look at that. I'm not exaggerating. Like, I exaggerate a lot, but, like, this is really good. I think I'm going to start buying more of these, Panda models. Here's some details here. Show you guys the front of this. I'm using my iPhone, so go easy on me for the quality here. But yeah, overall the wings look amazing. The engines look amazing. Antennas on here, too. They even got the pointy antennas. Sorry guys, just gotta focus back in here. Yeah, but overall, Delta on the bottom. Nice details here. Landing gear looks great. I wish I was a lot more like picky, but I'd say overall it's a pretty good 767-400 model, so that's nice. All right guys, I got the Gemini Jets 767-400 next to here, next to the Panda models, 767-400. And you can see the comparison here, that the wings are a little bit darker on the Gemini Jets. And I know it kind of has that tilt back too, which is not too good. But I'd say they're pretty similar. If you look at the antennas, the engines are definitely a lot different. You even get that nice, kind of tab right there on the engine that you don't get on the Gemini Jets one. So that's a very nice detail that they had added too. But yeah, let's show these from the side. I don't know, I mean, I'd say I'm almost liking the Panda models one better. They both have their pros and cons, obviously. So Panda models. And then let's show the Gemini Jets. Yeah, overall pretty good. This one's, yeah, they're about the same weight actually. Gemini Jet's a little bit lighter, or heavier. A little bit heavier. But yeah, guys, overall, I'd say that they're both pretty good. It's hard to tell. But again, here is the Panda model 767-400. I'm going to put this actually right on my airport. So this is now in service, as you guys can see. Very cool. All right, guys, warning with these things. These things are so sharp from the side. So they stabbed me like 5 different times. So be really careful when taking these out of here. These little marshallers with the cones, they're so sharp. So yeah, be really careful. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching today. Model Airport Nation here, showing you guys all different types of 1 to 400 scale model airports and even more. So yeah, these guys are kind of sharp, but got one to stand up here. Just be really careful if you ever get the Fantasy Wings ground handler people. But please subscribe for more, guys. A JFK update, major update, is coming very soon with Emirates and Etihad and you name it. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you guys. Instagram and TikTok, also at Model Airport Nation. And leave a like and comment, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video. And also, I already said Instagram and TikTok, but you guys know what's up. So appreciate you guys, and happy collecting.